County, Lake County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Lake County until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across